What's going on, guys? Hi, everyone. Let me guess. You want bigger muscles, more energy, and faster recovery, but you do want to become a nutritionist and learn about all the fancy biochemistry behind food and nutrition. Well, good news, because today we will teach you everything you need to know about macronutrients so that you can start applying it to your diet right away. And best of all, we'll make sure that you understand the basics before moving on to the more complex stuff. So if you're ready to unlock your body's full potential, let's dive in. Chapter 1. What are macronutrients? In simple terms, macronutrients are nutrients that our body needs in large amounts. These nutrients are called macros for short, and they include protein, carbohydrates, and fats. Now, these nutrients aren't just some fancy buzzwords. They are essential components of our diet that play a vital role in our body's functioning. First up, we have protein, which is made up of building blocks called amino acids. Think of amino acids as the Lego bricks that your body uses to build and repair tissues such as muscle, skin, and hair. There are 20 different types of amino acids, and your body needs all of them to function properly. But wait, there's more. Protein also plays a big role in making enzymes and hormones that control how cells work. Enzymes are like tiny helpers that speed up chemical reactions in the body, while hormones act as messengers, telling different parts of your body what to do. For example, insulin, which controls blood sugar levels, is a protein-based hormone. Next, we have carbohydrates, which are made up of sugars, starches, and fibers. These are the primary source of energy for your body, especially for your brain and muscles. When you eat carbs, your body breaks them down into glucose, which is a type of sugar. Glucose is then used by your cells to produce energy. Speaking of energy, have you ever wondered why athletes seem to have endless stamina? Well, it's because they know how to use carbs to their advantage. Carbs are stored in your muscles and liver as glycogen, which acts like a sponge, absorbing water and giving muscles a fuller look. Plus, when you eat carbs before exercising, they replenish your body's glycogen stores, giving you the energy you need to power through your workout. And let's not forget about fiber, which is a type of carb that your body can't digest. Fiber is important because it keeps your digestive system healthy and makes you feel full. Some great sources of fiber include fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. And finally, we have fats, which are made up of fatty acids and glycerol. Contrary to popular belief, fats are essential for our body's proper functioning. Fats are an excellent source of energy, providing more than double the calories per gram compared to both carbs and protein. But that's not all. Fats also play a vital role in hormone production, especially testosterone and growth hormone, which are crucial for muscle growth and repair. Fats also help your body absorb certain nutrients like vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for immune function and reducing inflammation. But wait, there's more. Fats also help regulate body temperature and protect your organs by providing insulation. In conclusion, each macronutrient has its own unique benefits and plays a crucial role in keeping our bodies running smoothly. So now that you know what macros are and what they do, let's move on to the next chapter, where we'll show you how to calculate your macros. Chapter 2. How to calculate your macros for muscle growth. To gain muscle mass, you must be in a calorie surplus, meaning you consume more calories than you burn. But here's the catch. You don't want to gain excess fat along with the muscle. That's why it's important to know exactly how many calories you should be consuming. Step 1. Know your body and goal. First, determine your goal. In this case, your goal is to gain lean muscle without excess fat. To achieve this, you need to know your maintenance calories, which is the number of calories you need to maintain your current weight. A simple way to estimate your maintenance calories is by using the following formula. Multiply your body weight in pounds by 10. Get that many calories per day and you'll maintain your weight. However, to gain muscle, you'll need more calories, so add 10 to 20% to find your muscle building target range. For example, if you weighed 100 pounds and your maintenance calories are 2,000 kilocalories per day, your muscle building target would be between 2,200 and 2,400 kcal day. Step 2. Macro breakdown for muscle growth. While calorie counting can be helpful, it's also important to pay attention to the quality of your calories, which is why you need to know the ideal macro breakdown for muscle growth. Step 3. Apply the formula. Now that you know your calorie target range and the ideal macro breakdown for muscle growth, it's time to apply the formula. Take your weight in kilograms, multiply it by each macro, then multiply that number by the corresponding calories per gram for that macro. And voila, you have your macro target range. For example, If you're a 70 kilogram student, your target macro range would be 140 grams of protein, 350 grams of carbs, and 70 grams of fats, totaling 1,590 kilocalories. Chapter 3. Meal Tips for Students. As a student, you may face challenges in preparing separate meals for each macro, but don't worry, we got you covered. Here are some quick and easy meal tips to help you meet your macro targets. Eat 4 to 5 meals per day, including a protein source in every meal. This will help you distribute your macros evenly throughout the day and prevent you from feeling hungry or overeating at any one meal. Some great protein sources include eggs, Greek yogurt, beans, peanut butter, tuna, and lentils. Pre- and post-workout meals should include carbs plus protein. Carbs provide energy for your workout, and protein helps repair and recover your muscles afterward. Some easy options include a protein shake with banana, chicken with rice, or oatmeal with berries. To save money, buy ingredients in bulk and cook large batches of food that you can eat throughout the week. Some budget-friendly high-protein, high-carb options include canned tuna, chicken, brown rice, oats, and frozen fruit. Prioritize your nutrition and schedule your meals in advance to ensure that you have time to eat. If you're short on time, keep some healthy snacks on hand such as nuts, seeds, hard-boiled eggs, and Greek yogurt. By following these meal tips, you will be able to easily incorporate your daily macros into your busy student schedule and achieve your fitness goals without breaking the bank. Chapter 4. Why macros matter for muscle. Did you know that eating the right amount of macros can have a significant impact on your muscle building journey? Each macro plays a unique role in maximizing your results. Protein stimulates muscle protein synthesis, which is the process of building new muscle tissue. When you eat protein, your body breaks it down into amino acids, which are then used to build and repair muscle tissue. Research shows that eating enough protein, around 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight per day, is crucial for maximizing muscle growth. Carbs, on the other hand, help replenish glycogen stores, which are essential for energy during exercise. When you exercise, your body uses up glycogen stored in your liver and muscles. Eating carbs helps to restore these glycogen levels, allowing you to work out harder and recover faster. Studies show that consuming carbs before and after exercise can improve performance and recovery. Fats, though often demonized, are essential for hormone production, including testosterone and growth hormone, which are crucial for muscle growth. Fats also help your body absorb certain nutrients, such as vitamins and minerals, which play a role in muscle function. Research suggests that consuming the right amount of fats, around 0.8 to 1 gram per kilogram of body weight per day, can support optimal muscle growth. In conclusion, each macro plays a vital role in maximizing your muscle building results. By ensuring that you consume the right amount of protein, carbs, and fats, you'll be well on your way to achieving your fitness goals. Chapter 5. Timing matters too. Consuming the right macros at the right time can significantly impact your muscle building journey. After a workout, try to eat within 30 to 45 minutes to boost recovery. This is the ideal time to refill your body with the nutrients it needs to repair muscle tissue and replenish glycogen stores. A great post-workout meal includes a combination of protein and carbs, such as a protein shake with banana or grilled chicken with rice. You can also consider taking a supplement like creatine monohydrate, which has been shown to improve exercise performance and increase muscle mass. In conclusion, timing your macro intake can make all the difference in maximizing your muscle building results. By focusing on consuming the right macros at the right times, you'll be well on your way to achieving your fitness goals. Chapter 6. Bonus tip. Track progress. By tracking your macros and monitoring your progress, you can make adjustments as needed to ensure that you're always optimizing your nutrition. For muscle growth, use an app like MyFitnessPal to log your daily macro intake and track your calories. This will help you stay accountable and ensure that you're meeting your macro targets. Revisit your macro targets every 2 to 3 weeks and make adjustments based on changes in your weight or strength. For example, if you're gaining weight, you may need to reduce your calorie intake slightly. If you're losing weight, you may need to increase your calorie intake. Remember that everyone is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. Don't be afraid to experiment with your macros and find what works best for you. In conclusion, by tracking your progress and making adjustments as needed, you can ensure that you're always getting the most out of your nutrition plan. So there you have it, guys. With this guide, you now know how to calculate and balance your macros for optimal muscle growth, energy, and recovery. Remember that consistency and patience are key, and it may take time to see results. So don't get discouraged and stick to your plan. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more nutrition tips and fitness advice. Thanks for watching.